to a fucking barbecue at the local park. Alright. Is it on? Alright. Brakes are kind of squeaky.
Sorry?
Brakes are kind of squeaky.
Yeah.
I'll try and get one clip and then I'll get another one. It's fucking brilliant. Well. UAV inbound.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Sorry, I just had to record that disgusting thing. That is mental looking. I just realised they're cooking it on the go. They're delivering as they cook it. That's amazing. I have so many questions I want to ask them. Wood-fired pizzas. That's amazing. To do it like on the go. I don't want to stop. I gotta pick up the camera. Oh, it's hot out today. Try and get the titties out. Oh, come on. Right, shit, or get off the pot.
Hello there.
Calm down, Karen.
Bruh.
It's a merge. No, because that's why there's 2 lanes for queuing, you moron. That's it, accelerate, brake, that's it. What a fucking Karen. I've never seen one in the wild before. She had the haircut and everything. And the big ass SUV. Oh, the stereotypes came out today. Oh, that's funny. I wonder if she'll flip me off later down the line if she ever caught up. I think I just saw him in my mirror. The moped guy that I just overtook. That just kind of proves that overtaking is pointless sometimes. Yeah, he's vibing there. Yeah, I don't know if it's legal or not to filter through double stripes. So I'm gonna Google it and then report back with either the footage or a black screen. Proving the reason that a bike is better than a car. You may have your air conditioning and your comfy chair, but I can get to work quicker. Something I don't want to do. Because that's lame. And I'm going to just tuck in right here and you're not going to say a word. Lovely. Bike. Red. That was very red. What a dirty you are, I can tell because it says on the side. Very blue. Beautiful new blue. Motorcycle. Well, imagine coming out, having a nice chill time at the pub, And then you get some twat in a Ford Fiesta or Focus, they all look the same, blasting this trashy drum and bass of remixed songs. Oh my god. I just pulled over to just stop for a minute. Ooh, nice little pop there. That screams healthy. Playing this trashy drum and bass music. Interesting, to say the least. Worse than my neighbours blasting the same kind of trash at 12 AM. Whatever. I ain't gonna judge. Well, I am. I'm fully judging.
Hello there. Fuck you!
Oh no. I've just... Ah! No. No, no, no. Ow. I've left it on goddamn fucking sound bites. I've left my Spotify on my sound bites because I was editing. Where the fuck am I going? I'm gonna take a guess and say right. I've been driving my car today and now I'm trying to find my way home and my phone has died. So there is no Google mapping. There's no calling in case of a panic or breakdown or anything. And no one would fucking stop on the side of the road for me if I need them. So all in all, I have no idea where I'm going. That's Chrome, Bristol.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Oh, I know where I'm going! Nice! I know the road now. I'm a genius because I can read. Nice. I already forgot. Follow the car. Follow the sign. Finally, back home. Oh, it's been so long. Driven the car. Past some speed cameras. Oh, shot myself several times. I didn't record any of it because it's just wind. There's no music, there's no fun, there's no interest. It's just music, so I didn't record any of it. And also it's very fucking scary as well. But the real question is, have I made it in time for me to go to pizza? Because the store shuts at 1. So did I make it? Did I not? Time check on the fly. 20 to 1? Yeah!